a little later model vehicle, a unique, especially in classics. This is a 2022 Ford Bronco two-door advanced 4x4, black diamond edition, 4-passenger, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, less than 1,000 miles on this vehicle. Underneath the hood, 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6 that is paired up with a 10-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's in shadow black. Interior is gray and black vinyl seats. The iconic Bronco insignia on the front of it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see this vehicle from every angle, interior, undersides, underneath the hood, and more importantly, there is a copy of the window sticker. If you want to see how exactly it is equipped, check out that window sticker in the still pictures. I'll also try to hit on a bunch of the options and what have you. I won't hit them all, not with all of them that are on this. Check out that window sticker in the still pictures, all the angles from this vehicle, top to bottom, inside and out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Now this does have the Sasquatch package, kind of a cool logo on the side of this also, the black diamond edition of the Sasquatch package. 17-inch black beadlock wheels. Does also have the front and rear locking differential, and you can see this paint. It's what you'd expect out of a car with this kind of miles on it. Really notice much for any chips, nicks, dings, or scratches. Take a peek at the interior. Again, gray and black vinyl. Of course, bucket seats, center console. It is 4-passenger seating. We'll also have the removable roof panels. Again, check out the options on that window sticker. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's also the all-season floor mats, as well as the carpeted, and those are still in the package there. The all-weather ones or all-season are in the vehicle. There is also the storage packages for the roof panels, and then a license plate bracket. Still all in the package. I'll put those back in the rear of this, where I found them for the next owner. You can also see the tint on the side glass here. When you take a look at the still pictures, the front side windows have been tinted also, so know your local and state laws as far as with the darkness and percentage of tint you can have. I want to give you the heads up on that. And again, those still pictures, we want to see the side glass, undersides, that window sticker once again. uniqueclassiccars.com. So take a look at the paint. Down the driver's side of this vehicle, again, you can see great reflection. Lack of nicks, dings, or scratches. You can also see that it does have the keypad, which is another added option on this. So the keyless entry pad on the door. And it does have the Equipment Group 322A. You're going to see on that window sticker, dual climate control, front row heated seats, remote start, the Sync 4 enhanced voice recognition, Ford Copilot 360, to name a few. And I'm not, saying any of these standard features like your power locks, power mirrors, power windows, any of that, all the steering wheel controls, it will also have. And again, interior is what you'd expect with a vehicle with this kind of miles on it. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Let's hear it run. We're going to check underneath the hood too, take a peek. Of course, push button to start. Horn honk because the door open. There's your exact miles, 789 miles on this one. Also plenty of good shots of the interior and with the still pictures. get an idea how it sounds. Everything has been stock that I've noticed and not noticed any modifications on this. Let me pause this 1 second, and we're gonna pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and wrap up this video. There's the hood popped. Nice and clean, as you can see, underneath the hood. Engine bay, getting 2.7 liter. EcoBoost V6. And nice and clean. Look, nice and clean, what you'd expect again for that kind of miles. '22 Ford Bronco, 2-door advanced 4x4 black diamond edition, 4-passenger SUV. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2022 Ford Bronco. If the dash gauges are flickering, that's just our camera. They look great in person. And there's no flickering in person. This is practically new Bronco. It is an excellent 4x4. Seems like everything is working. I'm sure Jay went over the ins and outs of those details with you. Let's get her up to speed. Very good acceleration. This will be lots of fun. It's very comfortable. We've got an automatic on the floor. Or center console, I should say. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry and we'll wash our vehicles, so we can do these driving videos for you. This is a quiet ride, a smooth ride. It really is pretty much a brand new vehicle. Looks great. We got fender flares and wide tires. Just an excellent vehicle. Good stereo system. I recommend checking this out on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, or in person in our showroom.